Hi everyone, and welcome back to Dashdoc Academy. I'm Chloe, and today we're going to look at how you can export and customize your own export features here in Dashdoc. Let's get to it. All right, so I'm logged into my Dashdoc account. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to reports. Once I'm in reports, I can go ahead and manually select which filters I want to use, or I can go ahead, click on modified view, and select a filter I've already chosen. Once I've selected my filter, I can scroll down. As reviewed in other videos, I can go ahead and click export, selecting what kind of document I'd like to export. I can also click on the title and choose to see if the fuel surcharge is included or not. If I keep scrolling down, I'll find the same data, but also in tables instead of in graphs. That way I can go ahead and export these tables as well. These are just some quick ways that you can go ahead and download your data from reports. Another way that we can also go ahead and customize your exports is by going ahead, clicking on our orders. Again, we can manually put in our filters. Here, I've already saved my filter of revenue by invoice. So all I need to do is click on my modified view. And here, I can select all, click on more actions, click on export. And as you can see, I have different default exports I can go ahead and choose. I can choose pickup delivery, PDF documents, order and price, invoicing, my carbon footprint. If you look down, I've also gone ahead and created some customized exports. So here I've gone ahead and created a customized export for my revenue by invoice item. I chose my export type, and I also chose the available columns. Now here, you can go ahead, you can move the columns, you can get rid of certain columns too. It's really customizable. You can really go ahead and make this reflect what you're looking for. So we can go ahead, click export and save. Shows us real quick how we can get there. And here in our downloads, we see that it's been exported. So that's one quick way that we can go ahead and do that. Another quick way we can go ahead is by going to our invoicing. And here we can do the same thing. Go ahead and manually put in your filters. Once you've already done that and saved your view, you can just go ahead and click on your modified view. And here it's the same thing. We're going to select all. You can either go to export. For the documents, you can go ahead and select what kind of documents you want to be exported, or you can go to your customized exports and select from there. And there we go. Just to recap, in this video, we saw how we can personalize exports or use the standard exports depending on what kind of data we would like to export. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please check out our Help Center and any help desk articles. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time on Dashdoc Academy. Bye!